in a moment, we're gonna play you a song.
We were born for this.
Famous last words.
Too many bottles of this wine we
Oh my
can't
God,
pronounce.
come on.
Too many
Bro, we're gonna body
bottles of
this.
that
Crazy.
gritty, no lucky
So
charms.
good. Yeah! Fuck. It's just like a tongue twister.
That's a mouthful, but we'll get that.
Is that something that's normal for your band? Are you pretty honest with each other?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Everybody just has the same goal, and the same goal is to like make the best song. Nasty.
All right, Musora is on the road, and we are in LA at the legendary EastWest studio. And today I am joined by John, Andy, and Josh of Point North.
I've been getting bad news all night, swimming in a safe place, that's right.
Gentlemen, welcome here.
What's up?
Yo, yo.
How are you feeling about this challenge today?
Dude, we're feeling good. I think we're ready. We got everything dialed in. We were born for this.
Famous last words.
Tell me about your band. What's the genre for people that don't know?
Like in a nutshell, we're all an alternative rock band. A lot of hip hop and electronic elements.
The middle ground is alternative rock, and we get pulled in heavy directions. We get pulled in hip-hoppy and even EDM directions.
So if there was a genre or a song that might scare you, what would it be?
Like a Prince song or something. No, like
Yeah.
something scary to us is something that's like super progressive.
Jazz.
Like jazz,
Cool.
yeah, anything jazz, like
too, yeah,
we're
for sure.
cooked, bro.
Yeah, we're done. We're done.
I think there's more that we're going to be comfortable with than uncomfortable with. Again, famous last words, but we shall see.
All right, in a moment, we're gonna play you a song, and it's gonna be your challenge to recreate that song as a Point North track. You can change whatever you want, chords, rhythms, tempos, but at the end of today, it has to be uniquely yours. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
I'm so ready.
I'm so nervous.
Here we go.
Too many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. Too many
So many
bottles
jun
of
jun,
that gritty,
jun
no
jun.
lucky charms. Super rich kids with nothing but loose ends.
Super rich night, nothing but
fake
loose
friends. Start my day up on the roof.
Oh, you're going to kill that.
Nothing like this type of view.
So good.
Point to click
Oh my God, come on. It's Frank Ocean, right?
I don't know. Is it?
Yeah, Frank
Sounds
Ocean.
like Frank.
Close your eyes to what you can't imagine. We are the
Scream that?
Scream that? Yeah,
Scream
yeah.
the rap parts and
Yeah,
sing
for
the
sure.
sing parts?
That'd be so sick.
Bro, we're gonna body this. Let's go.
Crazy. Crazy. Also, way to give us like a 9-minute song for sure.
Something told me you might make it a bit faster.
Yeah. So good.
Oh boy.
Dude, I love Frank Ocean, dude.
I feel challenged.
I definitely feel challenged. I definitely think it's doable.
This is Channel Orange.
Channel Orange, yeah.
Yeah, the song title is Super Rich Kids.
Yeah.
Okay.
And most of this album was recorded in this room.
Yeah, cool.
Sweet.
Like I think we have like a rough idea. So tempo, let's find like the riff nugget, and then big open chorus, like Point North fashion.
Do you want the chords and lyrics?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know we were allowed. Nothing like this type of view. Wow. Come on, dude. Please don't go that before. Ooh. Nice.
Again, we can stray as far rhythmically. We're going to have to rhythmically
I
because
think
it's
for
just
sure.
so staccato, so just
Right.
quarter notes. Again, if I was playing,
Yeah.
which is ga da ga da ja da cha ja cha cha.
I was thinking maybe we just take out the chorus, the first chorus, and just go straight into the verse. And like do
Okay.
like a big instrumental,
Okay.
like chorus instrumental.
Yeah.
And then we like establish that and then go into the verse.
In the day up on the roof, I say I'll jump, I'll never do. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
That makes sense.
Of course, so what do we want to do vocally for the choruses? Like obviously he's going like too many bottles of this wine. I could like do a melody with it.
What made most sense if I'm gonna scream was to do Earl's part rather than you like sing rap it, I think you should just do a melody over it.
Oh, okay.
Close your eyes for what you can't imagine. We are the zany gash and catty smashing bratty assy head. Yeah, dude, that's a mouthful, but we'll get that.
Okay. Let's do like a tiny bit slower. I don't know what he did there. It's like, it's really slow in the track, but like, I feel like if we speed it up too much, it's gonna be like, I'm gonna be jumbling, you know? I kind of like that like pedal. Maybe it's more like this.
Just like big rock.
Big, you know? Like, I think it's
rock,
definitely faster, but I don't think it's like a galaxy away. I think it's like a planet or two away. Can you just like give me like a tempo? Like, yeah, bro. There we go.
Yeah, so we gotta figure out what the big part is.
Yeah, for sure.
The lower parts with the major 7, like that's all day. When we build, what does that section sound like?
What if it's just like big ring outs or something? Because we're so like glaka or do. Like maybe it's like too many balls on the string, no lucky charms. The mixer around. That's like big on like those like second halves or something.
Yeah.
And around too much. And then maybe you scream that or something. So maybe I sing like the first 2 lines and it's like ring out and it's pretty and it's like silver rich kids with nothing but love.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool.
Silver rich kids with nothing but fake friends.
Okay.
Yeah, that's sick.
That'd be sick,
really
right?
cool.
Yeah, now you're cooking. No first chorus.
Yes.
Verse 1, quiet, clean. Chorus is alternate.
Ring out big, ring out big. And I don't know exactly what that ring out thing sounds like. It might be cool if it was just like fucking too many bottles.
Don't be afraid to, like it can be nothing too, you know what I mean?
Totally.
Yeah.
If you are watching this show and your brain lights up thinking of where the song could go during moments like this, that instinct means you already listen like a musician.
Oh, you're gonna kill that.
Because that's all this is, just curiosity, hearing a possibility, chasing it, messing it up, fixing it, and then suddenly there's a completely new version of a song. And if you've ever watched one of these sessions and thought, man, I wish I could do that, you're probably closer than you think. At Musora, we built a place that takes that spark you already have and turns it into something real. And unlike a lot of music lesson apps that only teach one instrument, we actually cover everything you see in this room. Vocals, guitar, bass, drums, and even piano. So whatever sound grabbed you today, you can chase it. And if those instruments look intimidating, the frets, the keys, the sticks, we've got 30-day courses for each one, designed for absolute beginners. No ego, no theory exams. Just day 1, pick up the instrument. Day 30, you're actually playing. If you are already listening like a musician, Musora wants to help you play like one.
Yeah.
And I think then we drop out, you do something with that for the too many bottles of this one.
Too many bottles of this wine.
And then second chorus, we can do hits.
That's
second
rad.
one.
Oh, sorry.
Stay heavy
It
there.
feels weird. Should we stay heavy or should we come down again? Felt like it needed to come down again.
Okay. For
Maybe
sure.
second chorus, dude, we like stay up like the whole time or something.
Yeah.
Okay.
I loved that, by the way. Cool. So then it's B flat on the second big time instead of the G flat. Right. So I'll go fucking nasty.
One thing is the bridge, because you're gonna get 2 verses back to back with me screaming Earl's part. I think verse 2 will almost play like a bridge into a verse.
I mean, we don't have to do like verse 2 into verse 3.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Just not doing verse 3.
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. So I think you nix chorus 1 and you nix verse 3. Even crazier, make it pop structure.
Yeah.
Don't nix verse 3. Like switch verse 3 and verse 2 and use verse 2 as the bridge.
Love it.
Right? Doesn't that kind of make sense?
That's more of our lane.
That bridge Earl part has to be crazy.
So it's real love. dude, two-step that on the last time we do it. Maybe you go to the hat just on some 90s vibes.
Sure, yeah, all right.
If I'm doing like too many bottles of, which I think is cool, I'm just like too many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. And then when that hits, it's like I feel like it hits really well because I'm able to like be low. But when I go high, I'm like, what if you screamed it, but you're screaming the answers? Maybe it's something cool and cheeky, like too many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. Too many bowls of the green on Lucky Charms.
I think if you were going to do that, then I think we would do it together the whole time.
Oh, that's cool.
Close your eyes so that you can't imagine.
That is a lot. I don't even know if I can do that. That's just so many words.
I know.
Yeah.
We can also trade off.
Close your eyes for what you can't imagine. We are the Zanny, Nash, and Caddy smashing bratty assy Matty snatches daddy's jacket.
Use the shit for batting practice. Adam at Andy thrashing, purchasing crappy grams with half the hand of cash.
Slower.
Adam at Andy thrashing, purchasing Adam at Andy thrashing, purchasing. Fuck.
It's just like a tongue twister.
Purchasing crappy grams with half the hand of cash you handed.
Panic and patch me up. Pappy done latchkeyed us. Toying with raggy hands and mammy done had enough.
And then into the too many bottles.
I just want to do a little recap. Something happened that often happens on this show. We went and had lunch. You guys started talking. You started mentioning that you might build out a couple sounds. What are you thinking?
I think that we've pretty much got the main ideas down. So I think now what we're gonna do is dive into my DAW here and throw in some reinforcement layers since we are only a 3-piece and we play this way live. Right?
Yeah, I think that feels good.
You want to get some big heavies, Shrewd?
Yeah, I think the chorus needs it.
It's gonna be crazy, man.
That's sick. That octave.
Okay. So.
Oh.
All right. So just like a little like lo-fi beat, little pad.
That's cool, dude.
I like that. I just think that outro needs something else.
Yeah.
I think like a guitar lead.
It does feel like it needs like a high register or something.
Yeah, because it's just like, sounds like we're just jamming longer.
Do you want to do like a pedally thing that you kind of do? Like a high stringy pedally
Yeah,
thing?
maybe. I was playing with that a little bit there.
I'm already so down with that. That's so sick. Yeah. That's awesome. Let's try it.
The thought of doing this to tracks now and not just freestyling it is, we're good.
We're cooking now, guys.
We're fine.
Sounds so good.
Did it sound good in there?
Sounds great, guys.
That's good news.
Yep. Hey! Yow! Cool. I'm ready.
That's it, let's do it.
Point North to play us out.
Start my day up on the roof. There's nothing like this type of view. Point the clicker at the tube. I prefer expensive news. New car, new girl, new ice, new glass, new watch, good times, babe. It's good times, yeah. She washed my back 3 times a day. The shower head feels so amazing. We'll both be high. The help don't stare. They just walk by. They must don't care. 1,000,001, 1,000,002. 100 no one never do. Too many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. Too many bowls of that green, no Lucky Charms. Hey. The beats come around too much. Irritate around enough. Too many joy rides in daddy's Jaguar. Too many white lies and white lines. Come on. Super rich kids with nothing but loose ends. Super rich kids with nothing but big friends. And good day upon the road. I say I jump, I never do. But when I'm drunk, I act a fool. 2 days of wings on Taylor relax my hands. It's good time, yeah. Sleeves rip off, I slip, I fall. The market's down like 60 stories. Some don't end the way they should. My silver spoon has fed me good. 1,000,001 cash. I close my eyes and feel the crash. So many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. So many bulls of that green or lucky charms.
The beats come around too much. Everything around enough.
So many junior eyes and daddy's jaguar. So many white lies, white lies.
Super rich kids with nothing but losses. Super rich kids with nothing but fake friends. Close your eyes to what you can't imagine. We're the city's smashing, getting smashing, pretty ass. He's smashing, daddy's here.
Use that shit for batting practice. Adamant Andy thrashing. Pushing crappy grams with half the hand of cash you handed.
Panic can pass me up. Nothing unlatching us. Toying with bragging in. Yet we not had enough.
Cash is fuck. Preaching all these awkward ducks. Don't believe us, treat us like we can't erupt. So many bottles of this wine we can't pronounce. So many bulls of that green or lucky charms.
The beats come around too much. Tearing it around enough.
So many junior eyes and daddy's jaguar. So many white lies and white lies.
Super rich kids with nothing but losses. Super rich kids with nothing but fake friends.
Searching for the real love. Real love. I'm talking about that real love.
All right, fellas, how was that for you?
That was different.
That was so fun,
That was
though.
cool. That was challenging.
It sounds awesome, guys. I think you totally nailed the assignment. You completely changed that song. When I think of that song, it's deliberately subdued. And you went completely the other way, which I think is the most entertaining, for sure.
Yeah, I think we just kind of like tried to bring our own energy to it, had a little bit of time to add some little production stuff and make it our own. It was fun.
How close do you think you got to Point North?
Yeah, I mean, it's in like the 8.5.
I was gonna say 8.
8.5,
I was gonna say 8. For the foundation of what we just did, it was Point North. So there's like some structural elements that maybe we could have like dove in on and tweaked a little bit to get all the way.
But undoubtedly us.
Undoubtedly us. It felt like sludgy, shoegazy Point North.
Something I appreciated about this episode was watching you guys be decisive, and I think you got more work done than a lot of groups do because you just made quick decisions and you were really upfront with each other. Is that something that's normal for your band? Are you pretty honest with each other?
Yes.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Like brutally honest with each other, but like in a good way. Like no one's feelings get hurt. Like it's like everybody knows that everybody just has the same goal, and the same goal is to like make the best song.
We're usually like up against the clock, so there's just no wasting time allowed.
We're always like finishing an EP or a song right before a tour. That's been like the Point North way since we've started. So yeah, Andy's totally right. We definitely like are used to a time crunch. So this was like nothing new. It was like cool. Like one of the songs we wrote, my computer broke and we went and bought an iMac, did one of our biggest songs on it, and then returned it the next day, just knowing that we're on. We know that when we make quick decisions and we go with our gut, that it usually is the right call.
If you could recommend this challenge to another band, whether it's someone you know or someone you respect, who do you think would kill at this challenge?
Set it off, Cody. Cody would do some crazy shit.
That's a great answer. I was thinking the home team.
The home team would also crush.
Yeah.
It was really fun watching you from the booth, so
Hell yeah.
good work.
I'm glad we were stressing out in here.
That's what makes a good episode, so
Yeah.
thank you.
Of course.
yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. This was fun.